Conservation of biodiversity, it's a topic that's close to my heart, and for good reason. The natural world is facing unprecedented threats, from habitat destruction to climate change, and the consequences are dire. But despite the challenges, there's still hope for the future of our planet's incredible biodiversity. Let's explore the importance of protecting endangered species and habitats, and what we can do to make a difference. The natural world is a complex web of relationships, with each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. When one species disappears, it can have a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem, leading to unintended consequences. This is why protecting endangered species is so crucial. By preserving the diversity of life on Earth, we can ensure that ecosystems remain resilient and able to withstand the challenges of climate change, disease, and other threats. One of the most effective ways to protect endangered species is to preserve their habitats. Habitats provide the food, shelter, and breeding grounds that species need to survive, and without them, many species would be unable to exist. By protecting habitats, we can safeguard the future of countless species and ensure that ecosystems continue to function as they should. This is why conservation efforts often focus on preserving large areas of wilderness, such as national parks and wildlife reserves. But habitat preservation is just one part of the solution. We also need to address the root causes of biodiversity loss, such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. These are complex issues that require a multifaceted approach, involving governments, businesses, and individuals working together to find solutions. For example, sustainable forest management practices can help reduce deforestation, while renewable energy sources can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing biodiversity today. Rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events are all taking a toll on ecosystems around the world. Many species are struggling to adapt to these changes, and some are facing extinction as a result. By reducing our carbon footprint and transitioning to a more sustainable, low-carbon economy, we can help mitigate the worst impacts of climate change and give species a fighting chance. Protecting endangered species and habitats is not just a moral imperative, it's also essential for human well-being. Ecosystems provide a range of benefits, from clean air and water to food and medicine. By preserving biodiversity, we can ensure that these benefits continue to flow, supporting human health and prosperity. For example, many medicines are derived from plants and animals, and the loss of species could limit our access to these life-saving treatments. In addition to the practical benefits, there's also an intrinsic value to biodiversity. Each species has a unique role to play in the ecosystem, and the loss of a species is a loss of natural heritage. By protecting endangered species and habitats, we can preserve the beauty and wonder of the natural world for future generations. Imagine a world without the majestic elephants, the soaring eagles, or the vibrant coral reefs. It's a bleak prospect, and one that we must work to prevent. So what can we do to make a difference? One of the most effective ways to support conservation efforts is to get involved with organizations that are working to protect endangered species and habitats. Many organizations offer opportunities for volunteering, donating, and spreading awareness about conservation issues. By supporting these efforts, we can help make a tangible difference in the fight against biodiversity loss. Individuals can also make a difference by making sustainable choices in their daily lives. For example, choosing sustainable seafood, reducing energy consumption, and supporting eco-friendly products can all help reduce our impact on the environment. By making conscious choices, we can contribute to a more sustainable future and help protect the natural world. Governments and businesses also have a crucial role in promoting conservation. Governments can implement policies to protect endangered species and habitats, such as establishing protected areas or regulating human activities that impact the environment. Businesses can prioritize sustainability and reduce their impact on the environment, while also promoting conservation efforts to their customers and stakeholders. As we look to the future, it's clear that conservation of biodiversity will be a critical issue. The natural world is facing unprecedented threats, but there are many reasons to be hopeful. By working together to protect endangered species and habitats, we can ensure a healthy and thriving planet for generations to come. It's a challenge that will require cooperation, innovation, and dedication, but the rewards will be well worth it. In the end, conservation of biodiversity is about more than just protecting the natural world. It's about preserving the beauty, wonder, and magic of life on Earth. By working together to protect endangered species and habitats, we can ensure that the natural world continues to inspire, educate, and enrich us. It's a challenge that we must take seriously, and one that we can meet with determination, creativity, and a commitment to the future of our planet.